I just got this A350 plane model and let's unbox it together and see if it's worth it. But before we do that, we have something else to unbox. We have this plane keychain. This is a really nice keychain to have, and it's probably some kind of a CRJ, I don't know. But now, let's get back to unboxing the actual plane model and see if it's any good. And you don't have to assemble it, which is cool, I guess. Now let's put it on the stand and see how it looks. Overall, I think this is a really nice plane model. Also, it's made out of metal and not plastic, unlike a lot of other models. And that was all for me, but now, if you want to watch me unbox other plane models, click here.